guys, I hope you all like this video. If this video was helpful, then let me see in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification bell for more new, beautiful, amazing border designs and creative videos. Also, please check out my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic, as I have uploaded lots of border designs and project file decoration ideas. Friends, I really like going through your comments, so please support me in this way by subscribing and pressing the bell icon, so that it really inspires me to make